Regret having kids? Now what? Simple. Eat them. As long as I'm still here, who's worried about having no descendants? Think these are baby fish? Plot twist, they're baby crabs. Think the ocean got a nosebleed? Nope, still crab babies. Every year, during that one crazy hot season summer, red crab armies march to Christmas Island to lay eggs, so many of them that the beaches turn red. But why do these crabs end up eating their own kids? First reason, their bizarre egg-laying method. To make delivery go smoothly, they perform a graceful and oh-so-quiet dance. Come on now. At least someone's got my back. This baby making dance, it's basically clubbing. But clubbing too long makes you hungry, and hunger makes you snack. And hey, nothing beats eating your own kids. Feels safe. The second reason they chow down on their offspring?